Troubleshooting your Venmo balance can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To start, make sure you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your device. Then, log into your account and navigate to the main dashboard where you can view your current balance. If you notice a discrepancy in your balance, the first step is to check your transaction history. Look for any recent transactions that may be pending or incomplete. Venmo transactions can take a few days to process, so it's possible that a recent payment or transfer is still being processed. Next, check your bank account to ensure that the funds have been transferred successfully. If you've sent money to someone, check with the recipient to confirm that they've received the payment. If you're still having issues, try refreshing your balance by clicking on the refresh button in the app. Another common issue that can affect your Venmo balance is a failed payment or transfer. If a payment fails, the funds will be returned to your Venmo account, but it may take a few days to reflect in your balance. To avoid failed payments, make sure your bank account or credit card is properly linked to your Venmo account and that you have sufficient funds. To prevent any issues with your Venmo balance, it's essential to keep your account information up to date. Regularly review your account settings and make sure your email address, phone number, and bank account information are current. Additionally, be cautious when sending money to others, and always verify the recipient's information before initiating a transaction. If you've tried all the above steps and still can't resolve the issue with your Venmo balance, you can contact Venmo customer support for assistance. They can help you investigate the issue and provide a solution to get your account back on track. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly troubleshoot and resolve any issues with your Venmo balance and continue to use the service with confidence.